Now we're going to get the selection from the drop down menu, and to get this I'm just going to copy the email field section, go down here, paste that in, and we're going to change this to country field. And I think the ID we'd called it, I'm almost sure it was country, but we'll have a quick double check just to make sure. The ID there is country. Great stuff. Back in, and of course, like before, that just points to the drop down menu to actually grab the value from it. We're going to say country field dot value, so the value of it, and we're just going to shove that in another variable, country field value. Again, could do these two lines in one, just think it's nice and clear, and then we can change back the country field here to be waiting for the next selection. So there's the country now grabbed from the feedback form.